This is a brand new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 2500. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 6.6-liter V8, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a premium audio system, aluminum wheels, cruise control, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, an unattended headlight warning chime, adjustable driver pedals, and XM satellite radio, which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.